the church in Jerusalem, and all were scattered throughout the countryside of Judea and Samaria, except the apostles.
Devout men buried Stephen and made a loud lament over him. Saul, meanwhile, was trying to destroy the church. Entering house after house, dragging out men and women, he handed them over for imprisonment. Now those who had been scattered went about preaching the word. Thus Philip went down to the city of Samaria and proclaimed Christ to them. With one accord, the crowd paid attention to what was said by Philip when they heard it and saw the sign he was doing.
For unclean spirits, crying out in a loud voice, came out of many possessed people, and many paralyzed and crippled people were cured. There was great joy in that city. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.